today's November 5th, and I come here to a park nearby my house. I would like to do meditations, and also want to share with you how to meditate and how it's helping, myself from my experience, and get to a good sleep. And that's what my problem before. I woke up during the night and have a difficult time try to go back to sleep. So I started meditating and also prayed in a sentence of Om Sarana Pavaya Namaha. Om Sarana Pavaya Namaha. I repeated over and over until my consciousness is like flat, nothing, and it is so in the deep state of sleep and deep state of meditating, and I fall asleep. And then that night, this happened a couple of nights ago, and make me fall completely asleep, like really good sleep, until like 4 or 5 hours, which is very good to me, and I just would like to share. And so, okay, ready? And here's the park. I got to hold that. So let's go walk, cut through here, another side of the park. It's quiet today, so I normally I come here and during in the morning or in the afternoon, but when I have time during the day, see, I got my water. So, and I thought like by coming here when nobody here, it will give me a chance of meditate and get more quiet, peaceful. Okay, let's show you the other side. Namaste, friends. Yeah, I find my spot to do meditation. It's beautiful here. It's very quiet. So if some of you never know what is meditation, I'm sure people heard about meditation and know that meditation it actually benefit to yourself. But how many of you that really, give some times, maybe 4 or 5 minutes per day for yourself to do meditation? Not so many, right? So, if you are new and never know about what to start or how to start, so I just want to show you how to do it. It's very simple. Some of them might just like, I have to close my eyes. I have to be like super quiet moment. But the key is how you pull your moment, which is when you take your breath in or breath out. You remember when you go to the doctor and they have these heteroscope to listen, right, to your heart or to your to each part of your body. They tell you to exhale, inhale, like that. So when you know the moment that you have that inhale, exhale, it's just like that. But then you repeating it, but you don't have to say. You tell yourself to inhale, exhale, instead of saying it, but you're just like, okay, put your hands like that. You can sit this in the chair or just sit, with the floor. I'm sit here on this doggone near at the lake, which is I come here more often. So here we go. I'm gonna guide you, okay? We're gonna start with the light music, which is I'm gonna kind of draw your focus. Pull yourself in, okay? That means let go of all the thinking that you are having right now. Let it go. Okay? Pull your energy up from here. Pull it up. Spread it out. Spread it out. Exhale. Deep and hold. Exhale. And now hold for a moment, okay? We count to 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Repeat it. Inhale. Hold. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale all the way. Have a little thought in your brain? Let go. Drop it. Another thinking come over. Drop it. Pull it back to your breathing. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly. Thinking about your kids again? Pull it back. Concentrate to your breath in. Breathe out. Slowly. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly. Thinking about your boyfriend or girlfriend again? Pull it back. Pull it back. Pull it back to yourself. Pull it back to yourself. Oh my God, I couldn't do it. So many thoughts. Pull it back to yourself. In, out, in, out, slowly. How do you feel? It's hard, huh? Yes, I know. It's not easy. Especially when you just start. Your mind is everywhere. You're thinking of your life. Because, we live in these materials world. We live in this matrix. the very easy for me is pull myself out from this delusion world that we are living in. And once you completely pull your soul or your consciousness out, and then just look at your life in this bubble, which is you label yourself, I am me, I am Naranya, I am a mother, I am a daughter, I am friends of this person, or I'm a business owner. It just I am. When you pull about all I am, then you did not see yourself who you really are, because you're in this bubble. Once you get yourself out from the bubble, and you're nobody, you just see a floating outside of this, and you'll find your soul happiness and you're so peaceful. So don't give up. Practice a little bit will help. 1 minute, 2 minutes, or even though when you sit quietly in the toilet, come on, when you sit, put the phone down. Don't take the phone with you. Do me a favor, don't you? Tomorrow morning, start tomorrow morning when you go to do your business, okay? And when some people may just say, sit there and have fun. Leave the phone outside and be quiet, be moment. Even though when you do your business in the morning and you concentrate on your moment, which is you try to do your vows, and then you be moment with what you are doing in that moment. That's the key also, to pull yourself in, don't chasing out, pull it back in. And once you pull it back in, and meditation, it will become more easier. Okay? Peace. And I know you can do it. I'm here with you. I love you all. And I know we are in this delusion where it's hard, but we have to do it. We have to make it. Nobody can do it for us. All right? I love you. Bye. Take care.